What's up, YouTube? Captain Will, well done, RC. We've got another box. Yes. So let me pull it out and we'll see what we got. Alright, you guys. We got the Eflite T-28 1.1 meter. I don't remember exactly what was wrong with this one. It might be alright. So I'll get it out of the box and see what's up. Alright, well, she looks good. I'm not sure what was up with this one. Maybe it was just damaged in shipping or whatever. But I'll go over everything and make sure everything looks good. Got the prop. Yep, so. Alright, YouTube, here we go. She's all together. I still need to bind it up and program the radio. I don't have it with me right now. But I did notice a little bit of denting on the wing here, and then a little bit on the fuse right here. But other than that, she looks good. Hopefully I'll have her up soon. I might do a little something on the bottom. But yeah, give me a thumbs up. We got us a new addition to the hangar, the Eflite T-28 Trojan 1.1 meter. Oh yeah. Alright, you guys, until next time, Captain Will, well done, RC, and we're signing out.